much I love you, never know how much I care. When you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight, fever in the morning, a fever all through the night. Sun lights up the daytime, moon lights up the night. I light up when you call my name, and you know I'm gonna treat them right. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight, fever in the morning, a fever all through the night. Everybody's got a fever, that is something you all know. Fever isn't such a new thing, fever started long ago. Romeo of Juliet, and Juliet, she felt the same. When he put his arms around her, he said, Julie, baby, you're my flame, now give it fever. When we kiss it, fever with that flaming youth. Fever, I'm on fire, a fever, yeah, I burn for Zeus. Captain Smith and Pocahontas had a very mad affair. When her daddy tried to kill him, she said, Daddy, oh, don't you dare, he gives me fever with his kisses, fever when he holds me tight, fever, I miss Mrs. Daddy, won't you treat him right? Now you listen to my story, here's the point that I have made. Chicks were born to give you fever, being serenade of ventricate, now give it fever. When they kiss you, fever if you live and learn. Fever till you sizzle, what a lovely way to burn. 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 Merci.